Hello friends, we are going to discuss radiation exchange between black bodies separated by non-absorbing medium, right? Radiation exchange between black bodies separated by non-absorbing medium, right? Consider this is body A2 having temperature T2 and this is body A1 having temperature T1, right? Let us consider heat exchange between dA1, small part of A1, and dA2, small part of A2, separating by non-absorbing medium and having areas A1 and A2 with temperature T1 and T2. The elementary areas at a distance r, this is the distance r, and the normal to these areas makes angle theta 1 and theta 2, right? So each elementary area subtends a solid angle. We have the definition of solid angle, and the center of other, let dw1 subtended by d1 and d2 dw2 subtended by d2 by d1. So we have dw1 is equals to dA2 cos theta 2 divided by r square, and this is omega 2 is equals to dA1 cos theta 1 divided by r square, right? The energy leaving dA1 in the direction given by the angle per unit solid angle is equals to energy released by dA1 is equals to I B1 dA1 cos theta 1, right? So where IB is a black intensity of IB is equals to black body intensity, right? And dA1 cos theta 1 is equals to projection of dA1 on the line between the center. So the rate of radiation energy between dA1 and striking dA2, rate of radiation from dA1 strike to dA2, that is dQ1 to 2 is equals to I B1 dA1 cos theta 1 omega 1 d omega 1. So we can write as write the value of d omega I B1 dA1 into dA2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 divided by r square. This is energy absorbed by dA2. See, since both are emitting energies, so dQ2 to 1, that is energy emitted by dA2 towards the which strikes the dA1 is equals to, we can write as IB2 dA2 dA1, that is cos theta 1 and cos theta 2 divided by r square, right? So we have to take net rate of heat transfer in between these two bodies. Suppose this emits energy 100 and this emits energy 80. So net is 20. How we will calculate this minus this? So dQ1 to 2 is equals to dq1 to 2 minus dq2 to 1, right? This is the net energy transferred. So we can write as dq1 to 2 is equals to dA1 dA2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 divided by r square into bracket IB1 minus IB2. This is net energy transferred. By the Kirchhoff's law, IB1 is equals to EB1 divided by pi and IB2 is equals to EB2 divided by pi, because by the Kirchhoff's law, when body is in thermal equilibrium, so energy emission is equals to pi times I. So put the values of this in above equation. So dq1 to 2 is equals to dA1 dA2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 divided by pi r square. So in bracket EB1 minus EB2, right? So what is energy emission? These are the black bodies. So energy emission of the black body is equals to sigma into T raised to 4. So by the Stefan-Boltzmann law, so dA1, I'll take sigma common, dA1 dA2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 divided by pi r square, T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. So the rate of total net heat transfer for the total areas, we have to take integration for this, because A1 to A2 net heat transfer. This is elementary transfer, net rate of elementary transfer. So Q1 to 2 is equals to integration dq1 to 2, which is equals to sigma and T constant, sigma T1 raised to 4 T minus T2 raised to 4 bracket close, integration A1 integration A2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 dA1 dA2 divided by pi r square, right? So from this equation, the rate of radiating energy emitted by A1, that falls A2 by above equation. From we have this Q1 to 2 net rate IB into A1 A2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 dA1 dA2 divided by r square, and we can write as Q1 to 2 is equals to sigma T1 raised to 4 into A1 A2, this is cos theta 1 cos theta 2 dA1 dA2 divided by pi r square. So the rate of total energy radiated by A1 is given by Q1 is equals to A1 sigma T1 raised to 4. So hence the fraction of rate of energy leaving area A1 and strikes on A2 is equals to Q1 to 2 divided by Q1 is equals to 1 by A1 integration A1 integration A2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 dA1 dA2 divided by pi r square, right? Got it? Okay. Then or this is the fraction of energy. So we can write as Q1 to 2 is equals to Q1 is equals to F1 to 2 F1 to 2. So F1 to 2 is called as configuration factor, surface factor, view factor or shape factor, right? Configuration factor, view factor, shape factor, right, or surface factor. So what is shape factor? Shape factor shape factor is equals to, what is definition? The fraction of radiative energy that is diffused from one surface element and strikes the other surface directly with no intervening reflection. This is called as shape factor. Means suppose मैंने आपकी तरफ 100 कॉइन्स डाले, उसमें से आप कितने कलेक्ट करते हो उसको बोलते हैं शेप फैक्टर. सपोज उसमें से आपने 10 कलेक्ट किए तो 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 10, 100 इज योर शेप फैक्टर. So we have further Q1 to 2 is equals to F1 to 2 A1 sigma T1 raised to 4. This is the total energy, right, from the 1 to 2. Similarly, energy fall from Q2 to 1 is equals to sigma T2 raised to 4. Similarly, we can write as A1 A2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2. This is about 2 to 1 dA1 and dA2, so divided by pi r square. So we can directly write Q2 to 1 is equals to, or Q2 is equals to sigma A2 sigma T2 raised to 4, right? For the similarly for this shape factor Q2 to 1 is equals to Q2 is equals to F2 to 1. This is shape factor of element 2 towards the 2, right? So F2 to 1 is the shape factor of A2 with respect to A1. So we can write similarly as like this: Q2 to 1 is equals to F2 to 1 A2 sigma T2 raised to 4, right? From above equation, this equation and this equation, we can write as A1 F1 to 2 is equals to A2 F2 to 1, right? From this equation we can write as this formula, right? The above result is known as, this is known as reciprocity theorem, and it indicates that net radiating interchange may be evaluated by computing one-way configuration factor from either surface to the others. Thus the net rate of heat transfer between two surface A1 and A2 is given by Q1 to 2 is equals to A1 F1 to 2 sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. This is very important formula. Or A2 F2 to 1 sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. This is net rate of heat transfer. So if you have any doubt, ask me on phone. Thank you.